The Lefant M330S robot vacuum and mop is a highly advanced and practical cleaning solution designed for modern smart homes. With its upgraded LiDAR navigation system, it maps rooms accurately and plans efficient cleaning routes, ensuring no area is missed. This makes it especially useful for larger homes or multi-room layouts where consistent coverage is important. One of its strongest features is the powerful 6,000 pascal suction, which easily lifts dust, crumbs, and stubborn pet hair from both carpets and hard floors. The combined vacuum and mop functionality adds extra convenience, allowing users to enjoy deeper floor cleaning in a single device. It transitions smoothly between surfaces, adapting its performance for different floor types. Smart control options such as Wi-Fi, Alexa, and mobile app integration make operation very easy. Users can schedule cleanings, adjust settings, and monitor progress remotely. The self-charging feature ensures the robot automatically returns to its dock when the battery is low, making it truly low maintenance. Its multi-floor mapping capability is another standout, allowing the robot to remember different levels of the home. This is especially helpful for multi-story houses. Overall, the Lefant M330S combines strong suction, intelligent navigation, and smart home connectivity into one reliable device. It is an excellent choice for pet owners and busy households looking for effortless, automated cleaning performance.